A bulk carrier is docked at Rotterdam. The second mate went ashore and consumed alcohol a few hours before sailing. The ship sailed out at 2000 hours. The pilot disembarked at 2100 hours, and the second mate arrived on the bridge at 1 a.m. The master handed over the watch to the second mate and instructed him to call him up before reaching Antwerp Pilot Station. After a while, the second mate who was on the bridge fell asleep. The vessel ran aground off the coast of Netherlands. The vibration and noise caused by the grounding woke the second mate. Investigation revealed the following. The second mate was unable to have sufficient rest as required by STCW 95 and was increasingly fatigued during his 4 months on board. He had not slept well in the days preceding the accident. The second officer had consumed several drinks before taking over the bridge watch. The second officer was alone on the bridge. A separate lookout was not used during darkness because the ABs had been discharging cargo in Rotterdam and were expected to be required for cargo operation when the ship arrived in Antwerp the following morning. The bridge watch alarm was not operational. Shortcomings in the ship's SMS were not identified. The ship manager's alcohol policy was not effectively policed. Lessons learnt. Crew must be well tested in accordance with the STCW convention. Alcohol must not be consumed prior to keeping watch. Watch should not be handed over to any person under the influence of alcohol or fatigue. Lookout should be used on the bridge, especially during hours of darkness, coasting, during adverse conditions, and whenever the situation desires. All bridge equipment should be checked for satisfactory operation and maintained as per schedule. Shortcomings in the company's QMS manuals should be identified and the manuals updated accordingly. Company policies should be strictly adhered to by all the crew members.